Hello everyone, my name is Dava Ramadan. I am currently studying at Bandung State Polytechnic in the Diploma 3 Informatics Engineering program, which focuses on computer engineering and informatics. I am excited to share a bit about myself with you all today. As a student in the Diploma 3 Informatics Engineering program, I've had the opportunity to learn about various aspects of technology, including programming, software development, and system analysis. My interest in technology began when I was in high school, where I started learning basic coding. I remember being fascinated by how a few lines of code could create a functional program. This sparked my passion for furthering my studies in this field. Currently, I may not have specific competency that I can claim, but I am actively working on developing my skills. I regularly practice coding and I'm becoming more familiar with programming language such as Python and Java or C++. Additionally, I am learning about database management and web development, which I find incredibly interesting. I believe these skills will be crucial for my future career in IT. In the future, I aspire to work for a large IT company where I can apply my knowledge and contribute to exciting projects. My goal is to become a software engineer, and eventually lead my own projects. I hope to work in an environment that encourage innovation and creativity, allowing me to develop solutions that can make a difference in people's lives. On my dream companies to work for is Google, known for its cutting edge technology and progressive work culture. Outside my studies, uh, I have several hobbies that I enjoy. One of my favorite pastimes is listening to music. I enjoy a wide range of genres, from pop to classical, and I find that music helps me concentrate while studying. I also love watching YouTube videos, particularly those related to technology, gaming, and personal development. They inspire me to keep learning and enjoying new ideas. Regarding my family, we are in a middle class situation. My parents have instilled in me the values of hard work and perseverance, and I am grateful for their encouragement. They motivate me to strive for excellence in everything I do. I often share my academic experience and challenge with them, and they provide valuable advice and guidance. Currently, I am fully focused on my education at Polban. I am committed to achieving good grades and gaining practical experience through internship or projects. I am also looking for opportunities to get involved in student organization or clubs related to technology. As I believe this will change this will enhance my learning experience and help me connect with like-minded individuals. In summary, I am Dava Ramadan, a student with a passion for technology and a desire to make an impact in the IT industry. I look forward to continuing my studies and exploring that opportunities that lie ahead. Thank you for listening, and I hope to get to know all of you better in the future. Today, I want to describe one of the most influential figures in the technologies and business world, Elon Musk. He is known for his groundbreaking work with companies like Tesla and SpaceX, and his innovative ideas have changed the way we think about transportation and space exploration. Elon Musk is a tall man, often described as having a commanding presence. He typically dresses in casual business attire, often seen in a black or gray blazer paired with a simple t-shirt. His hair is dark and neatly styled, and he has streaking blue eyes that convey determination. What stands out most about Mas is his confident demeanor and the intensity with which he engages in conversation. Mas is highly innovative and ambitious. He has an extraordinary ability to envision the future and take risks to make those visions a reality. For example, his work with Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry by pushing for electric vehicles, making them more mainstream and accessible. His passion for renewable energy and sustainability has also inspired many people to think differently about how we consume energy. However, mass drive for success can sometimes come at a cost. He is known to have high expectations for himself and his employees, which can create a demanding work environment. Some have described him as being overly strict or harsh, particularly when it comes to meeting deadlines. This intense pressure can lead to burnout among team members, which is a concern that has been raised in various articles about his leadership style. What makes Mas particularly fascinating in his charisma and ability to inspire? He often shares his vision for humanity's future, such as colonizing Mars and transitioning the world to sustainable energy. His bold statements and confidence draw attention and inspire a following of people who are excited about the possibilities he presents. Additionally, Mas is active on social media, especially Twitter or X, where he shares updates and engages with his followers, further further solidifying his status as a public figure. For me, Elon Musk represents the epitome of innovation and ambition. He motivates me to think outside the box and to pursue my own dreams in the tech industry. I admire how he takes challenge head on and remains uh, undeterred by setbacks. Learning about his journey has taught me the importance of resell the importance of resilience and the willingness to risks take risks. In conclusion, Elon Musk is a complex figure whose impact on technology and society cannot be overstated. His achievements and challenge paint a picture of a visionary leader who continually push the boundaries of what is possible. Thank you for letting me share my thoughts on him. Hello, let me describe my smartphone, which is an essential part of my daily life. This device plays a crucial role in how I communicate, learn, and entertain myself. My smartphone has a beautiful gradient color that transition from white at the top to blue at the bottom. It has a large 6.5-inch screen, which is perfect for watching videos and browsing the internet. The shape is sleek and rectangular, fitting comfortably in my hand. The design is modern with minimalist bezel that make the display look even more impressive. Like most smartphone, it has a plastic back cover that is lightweight and durable. It feels solid in my hand, and I appreciate how easy it is to carry around. In terms of features, it has a high resolution camera that takes stunning photos and videos. The camera is one of the reasons I love this phone, as I often document my daily life and share moments with friends and family. I use smartphone for a variety of tasks daily. Primarily, I use it to communicate with my family and friends through messaging apps and social media. Additionally, it serves as a learning tool. I access online resources and educational platforms to support my studies. I also enjoy playing games, which helps me unwind after a long day. Furthermore, I listen to music while studying or exercising, and I find that it boosts my concentration and motivation. What makes this smartphone particularly special to me is that it was a gift from my parents. They bought it for me to support my education and keep me connected with the world. I cherish it not only for its functionality but also for the love and love behind the gift. It reminds me of their belief in my potential and the sacrifices they make for my education. In summary, my smartphone is more than just a communicate device. It's a vital tool that enhances my daily life and helps me stay connected and informed. I'm grateful to have it and take good care of it, ensuring it lasts for years to come. Today, I want to describe two places that are significant to me: my hometown and a place I dream of visiting, which is Mecca in Saudi Arabia. My hometown is in Samarang district, Garut Regency. It's a medium-sized area known for its stunning natural beauty. The landscape is characterized by rolling hills, lush greenery, and clear blue skies. The air is fresh and the environment is peaceful. It's a place where I feel connected to nature, and I often take walks to enjoy the scenery. The main attraction include beautiful parks, rivers, and rice fields, which create a picturesque setting. The local community is warm and welcoming, and there are various cultural events throughout the year that celebrate our tradition. Growing up here has shaped who I am today, instilling in me a love for nature and a sense of community. Hmm. The atmosphere in my hometown is calm and relaxing. I often visit local cafes and parks to unwind and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Unlike big cities where everything moves so fast, life in Samarang feels slower, allowing me to appreciate the little things. The people are friendly, and there's a strong sense of community. We often come together for events or celebration, and everyone knows each other, which makes it feel like a big family. Growing up in Samarang, I've had many wonderful memories. One of my favorite moments was during uh, when I come to a little village a family gathering, or a special day. This event not only brought the community together, but also made me feel proud of where I come from. Samarang will always hold a special place in my heart, and it's a place I can return to when I need to recharge or reconnect with my roots. The second place I want to describe is Mecca, a city I dream of visiting one day. Mecca is located in Saudi Arabia and is considered the holy city in Islam. Every year, millions of Muslims from all over the world travel to Mecca to perform the Hajj pilgrimage. For Muslims, visiting Mecca is a deeply spiritual experience, and it's a city that holds immense religious significance. One of the main attractions in Mecca is the Kaaba, a sacred structure located in the Masjid Al-Haram, the largest mosque in the world. The Kaaba is the focal point of Muslim worship, and it's the direction we face when performing our daily prayers. I've always been fascinated by the history and significance of this place, and I hope to visit it one day to fulfill my religious duty and experience the spiritual atmosphere firsthand. For me, visiting Mecca would be more than just a trip. It will be a life-changing experience. It's a place that has been mentioned throughout of my life. And I've heard many stories from family members and friends who have been there. They talk about the sense of peace and fulfillment they feel after visiting. I believe that going to Mecca will not only strengthen my faith but also provide me with a sense of clarity and purpose. The city's history and religious importance make it a destination that every Muslim aspires to visit, and I hope to be able to visit Mecca in the near future to perform the Hajj or Umrah. In conclusion, both Samarang and Mecca hold special meanings for me, though it though in different ways. Samarang is where I grew up, and it has shaped my values and connection to nature and community. On the other hand, Mecca is a place I dream of visiting because of its deep spiritual significance in my life as a Muslim. While Samarang grounds me and provides a sense of belonging, Mecca represents a personal and religious aspiration that I hope to fulfill one day. I look forward to returning to my hometown often, as it will always be my sanctuary. At the same time, I eagerly anticipate the day I can stand in front of the Kaaba and experience the profound peace that many have described. Thank you for letting me share this important place with you.